Now see the next problem, the fourth one. A wire is in the shape of a square side 10 centimeter. If the wire is rebent into a rectangle of length 12 centimeter, find its breadth, which encloses more area, the square or the rectangle. See, what is the question? The wire is in the shape of a square of side 10 centimeter. If the wire is rebent in a rectangle of the length 12 centimeter, now you have to find its breadth, which encloses more area, the square or rectangle. Okay, see the first one. The given condition is side of square is 10 centimeter, right? So you have to find, see, first you have to write the given condition means side of square. Side of the square is, what is that? The square of side is 10 centimeter. So you have to write 10 centimeter. Okay. After that, length of the wire. Length of the wire is nothing but perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square, right? See, what is that? Length of the wire is nothing but perimeter of the square. See, what is the perimeter of the square? 4 into side. Don't get confused for area of the square, perimeter of the square. Okay, so you know that the perimeter, see, the perimeter means 4 into side. See here, length of the wire is nothing but perimeter of the square. See, the perimeter of the square is, the formula is 4 into side. Okay, see, 4 into, what is the side? 10 centimeter. So now you have to put 4 into 10. What is that? 40 centimeter. Okay, and then what is the another given condition? Length of the rectangle is, what is that? 12 centimeter. So you have to write length of the rectangle. That means L is equal to, what is that? 12 centimeter. Let be to find the breadth of the rectangle. Okay, see, let B be the breadth of the rectangle. So you have to write perimeter of rectangle. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? See here, the perimeter of the rectangle is nothing but length of wire, right? What is the length of the wire? 40 centimeter. So what is the perimeter of the rectangle? 40 centimeter. Everybody clear? Now See, perimeter of the rectangle, what is the formula? You know that the formula is perimeter of the rectangle is nothing but 2 into L plus B. See, what is the perimeter of the rectangle? 40 centimeter is equal to 2 into what is L? The L is 12 centimeter plus B you have to find. So, plus B. Now, see here, in this right hand side 2 can be written as the left hand side, means you have to write 40 by 2, or otherwise you have to both side divided by 2. You will get 40 by 2 is equal to 2 into 12 plus B divided by 2. Now cancel the 2. Simplifying the left hand side, you will get 20 equal to 12 plus B. Okay. See, next the right hand side 12, by transposing right hand side plus 12 to the left hand side means it becomes minus 12. So 20 minus 12 is equal to B. What is 20 minus 12? 8. So B is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay. See here, what is that? You have to find the breadth. That means B equal to 8 centimeter. Now, see, area of the square. What is the area of the square formula? Area of the square is nothing but side square. Okay. See here, what is the side? See, 10 centimeter. So you have to put 10 square. So what will you get? 100 centimeter square. Next you have to find area of the rectangle. Okay. See here, area of the rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. Right. See here, what is the length? 12 centimeter into what is the breadth? 8. 12 into 8, 8 2s are 16, remainder 1, 1 8s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. Okay, see here this is centimeter, centimeter, into means centimeter square. Now see here, area of the square is 100 centimeter square. Area of the rectangle is 96 centimeter square. What is your question? Which encloses more area? See, now see, sorry, find the breadth. Okay, you got it. Find which encloses more area. So the square or the rectangle. So now you have to find which one is more area, square or rectangle. How can you find? See here, area of the square is 100. Area of the rectangle is 96. Okay, so the square encloses more area even though its perimeter is the same as that of the rectangle. See, what is that? The square. Okay, so the square encloses more area even though its perimeter is the same as that of the rectangle. So you have to write this. What is that? Which encloses more area? The square. Okay, the square encloses more area. Everybody clear? Okay, see here, what is the question? A wire is in the shape of a square of side is 10 centimeter. If the wire is rebent in a rectangle of length is 12 centimeter. Find its breadth, which encloses more area, the square or the rectangle. Okay, now the given condition is side of square. What is the side of the square? 10 centimeter. Now length of the wire is nothing but perimeter of the square. Everybody know that perimeter of the square formula is 4 into side. The side means 10 centimeter. So simplifying in that one, you will get 40 centimeter. Next, length of the rectangle L was given. The value is 12 centimeter. Now we have to take B be the breadth of the rectangle. Now perimeter of the rectangle is nothing but length of wire. Just now you have to find the length of the wire is 40 centimeter. Okay, now see here, perimeter of the rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B. That means length plus breadth. See, what is the perimeter of the rectangle? That is length of the wire. The length of the wire is 40. So perimeter of the rectangle is 40 is equal to 2 into L value is 12. Okay, that is given, and then you have to find the B value. Okay, now you have to remove the 2 for the right hand side, means dividing by 2 on both side. Now you have to remove this 2 for the right hand side. Simplifying the left hand side, you will get 20. Okay, so the right hand side in this 12 plus B. Next, the right hand side plus B, transpose right hand side plus B to the left hand side, means it becomes minus 12. See, what is 20 minus 12? 8. So the breadth value is 8 centimeter. Next, you have to find the area of the square. What is the area of the square? Side square. Side also given, that is 10. So 10 square means 100 centimeter square. Next, area of the rectangle is L into B. L value 12, B just now you have to find, so put 8. 12 into 8 you will get 96 centimeter. See, area of the square is 100 centimeter square. Area of the rectangle is 96 centimeter. What do you need? Which encloses more area? Which one is square? That is 100 centimeter. So the square encloses more area, even though its perimeter is the same as that of the rectangle. Okay, so you have to write the square encloses more area. Okay. Now see the next problem. The area of a square and a rectangle are equal. If the side of the square is 40 centimeter and the breadth of the rectangle is 25 centimeter, find the length of the rectangle. Also find the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, see, what is the question? The area of a square, a rectangle are equal. If the side of a square is 40 centimeter, the breadth of the rectangle is 25 centimeter. Now you have to find the length of the rectangle and also find the perimeter of the rectangle. So you have to find the length of the rectangle and then perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, see here, how can you solve in this one? Area of the square, everybody know that what is the formula for area of a square? What is that? Side square, right? See here, what is the side? The side of a square is 40 centimeter. So 40 squared. See here, the 40 squared means 40 into 40. Okay, so 40 into 40 means what will you get? 1600. What is that? This is centimeter. So you have to write 1600 centimeter square. Next, what is the given condition? The area of the square is nothing but rectangle. Okay, the area of the rectangle, right? You have to write, it is given that the area of the rectangle is nothing but the area of the square. That is the given condition. Okay, given that, you have to write in this one. The area of the rectangle is nothing but area of the square. See the first line, the area of the square and a rectangle are equal. So you have to write in this. See, so the area of rectangle is equal to area of the square is 1600, area of the square. So what is the area of the rectangle value? That is also 1600. So what is the area of the rectangle? Area of the square is 1600 centimeter square. So the area of the rectangle is also 1600 centimeter square. See here in this one, breadth was given. The breadth of the rectangle is 25 centimeter, right? So breadth is equal to 25 centimeter. Okay, see here, what is the area of the rectangle? What is the formula? L into B, right? See, what is the area of the rectangle? 1600 equal to L. You don't know that. Breadth value is 25. Now you have to find the L, means you have to remove the right hand side 25. So what do you do? That dividing 25 on both sides. So you will get 1600 by 25 equal to L into 25 by 25. Now removing the 25, you will get, see here, how many 25 is there? You have to take 160. Okay, so 6, remaining 10. So here you can take 0 means 100. How many 25? 4. So 64 centimeter. That means L value is 64 centimeter. So the rectangle, that means the length of the rectangle is 64 centimeter. Okay, next you have to find the perimeter of the rectangle, right? See, perimeter of the rectangle. What is the formula for perimeter of the rectangle? 2 into L plus B, right? 2. What is the L value? 64 centimeter. What is the B value? 25 centimeter. The both are centimeter, plus symbol is there. So finally you have to write only one time centimeter. See here, 2 into 6 plus 5, 4 plus 5, 9, 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, so 2 into 89 means 9 2s are 18, remainder 1, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 1, 17, 178 centimeter. So the perimeter of the rectangle is 178 centimeter, even though its area is the same as the, even though its area is the same as that of the square. Okay. See, what is the question? The area of the square and a rectangle are equal. If the side of the square is 40 centimeter, the breadth of the rectangle is 25 centimeter. Now you have to find the two concepts. The first one, find the length of the rectangle. The second one, find the perimeter of the rectangle. See, area of the square formula is side square. So that means 40 square. 40 square means you will get 1600 centimeter square. The given condition is area of a square and a rectangle are equal. So you have to write the area of the rectangle is equal to the area of the square. So what is the area of the rectangle? The area of the square value you have to write 1600 centimeter square. Next, breadth 25 centimeter. You have to write the area of the rectangle formula L into B. Area of the rectangle is 1600. L you need, that means you have to find the L value. B value means 25. Now in this both side dividing the 25 means you will get the left hand side value 64. The right hand side remove the 25, you will get the L only. So L value means 64 centimeter. Next you have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? 2 into L plus B. So write 2. What is the L value? 64. B value 25. 64 plus 25, 89. Now multiply 2 into 89 means you will get 178 centimeter. So perimeter of the rectangle is 178 centimeter. Even though its area is the same as that of the square. Okay. See what is that? The perimeter of the rectangle is 178 centimeter. Even though its area is the same as that of the square. Everybody clear? Thank you.